Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel Pixel and Frisket Finds. My name is Michelle and this is a new episode of Come to Work With Me, a series on my channel where we go through the vintage inventory that we have at the jewelry store where I work. If you haven't already, click subscribe. I'm uploading a new video every Sunday and I'd love to see you there again. Let's get digging. Alright, welcome back for a new episode and check out this stack of boxes we have to start with. Two of them are from Eaton's, one of them is blue. Alright, let's get started with the top Eaton's box. I'll shove these over into the corner. It's silver, Eaton's of Canada, my maiden name. And what do we have? Let's see. So here we have a brooch, I think, or used to be a pendant maybe. It's come apart now. It has all of its stones, but not in good shape. Oh, here's another one. I guess they were probably earrings, but that's good for a craft lot. And we've got, oh, something coming apart here with some beads. Oh, I just got a Presidium gem tester. Maybe I'll check and see if these are amethyst or not. Let me double check. They are glass, but it's falling apart. I see some loose ones here in the box, and it looks like we have a strand of pearls, faux pearl perhaps, that is also falling apart. Yeah, I would say those are faux. Oh, but there is some cufflinks, mother of pearl cufflinks in here. All right, that's something anyway. But yeah, it has a pretty clasp. Anyway, it looks like there's two different strands in there, but all broken. That's too bad. I'll put those beads back in there and maybe move these guys off to the side for now. Okay, now in the next Eaton's box also has some silver on there, but a different design. I wonder, maybe I can find something online that shows a timeline of their package designs. That would be interesting, I guess, to me. Not related to the store. Ooh, lots of goodies in here. Let's start digging. I'm going to move this out of the way. First thing I have is a brooch. It's like a leaf and pearl design. No name. Another brooch here with purple stones and gold. I'll test the stones, and they are glass. Here's a pair of clip-ons, just like a seafoam green button style. Pretty. Another brooch, some black stones and clear rhinestones. And another one here with a little porcelain rose. It's in pretty good shape. I mean, as far as breakage goes, it's dirty, but I would kind of expect that to be more trashed. Another one of these wreath style brooches. Probably good with a scarf, I'm guessing, hey? Is that the intention there? And here's one of these classic gold rose brooches that every mom has a couple of in their cases, and a butterfly with enamel paint. That's cute. That's got some, I don't know, like 80s vintage charm. There's this brooch, clear rhinestone and pearl. And an owl with green eyes. No names for him. This guy's kind of cool, a roadrunner. It's got a piece of, what is it? Not sunstone, goldstone, which is a glass. It looks like a little turquoise colored eye. That's the back. But I guess that's a roadrunner, right? I think. Here's another cute little pair of button style clip-ons, these little tiny clip-ons, and I love that vintage butterfly. I even like the wear that's happening there. It's just kind of giving it a little more charm in my books. Another pair of, well, this is a screwback pair. No names on there or anything, but like a gold tone leaf. They're really pretty. They're quite lightweight. They'd be comfortable to wear, I think, you know, if they didn't squeeze too hard. Another brooch here with stones, and that's really cute. I like the sort of sawtooth thing that's happening there. Cool. Here's a stick pin with a green piece on it. Lovely green. And here is a jade and gold tone pendant with a little maple leaf. And where's the clasp? Here. And it's gold fill. The chain is anyway, I don't know, maybe not the pendant. Here's a little brooch with some AB rhinestones, little leaf and flower. Very tiny, that one. Here's a pair of clip-ons with pearl and gold tone. And another pair of clip-ons. Oh, it matches the brooch, so we've got a set. That first brooch, and there was no name on the brooch, so let's double check the earrings for a name. Doesn't look good though. I don't think so. It's giving me Sarah Coventry vibes, but it would be marked, wouldn't it? Pretty sure that stuff's all marked, but there we go. We have a set in nice shape. The pearls are not losing their nacre. They look good. Here is another gold tone chain and jade pendant. Sort of a, I don't know, a leafy, grapey situation. And a silver tone one. That looks like another piece of jade, really, really dark. Silver tone chain. This is kind of cutesy, hey? It's like, I guess you would do it this way, where you get the three-dimensional effect of the carving. What is that called? Repose? How do you say it? Oh no. I hope I got that right. If not, I'll be putting it up on there for us anyway, but that looks really pretty. It's just sweet and tiny. Be cute for summer. Ooh, we got a little butterfly world happening here. And we'll add more to our little owl city, because here's a couple of tiger's eye and owl clip-ons. So they can go over here. We got a whole little owl family going. Okay, here's another chain in here, just chilling like a villain. Here's a pair of clip-ons. These are the ones that are made to look like, or sorry, screwbacks, like they're piercing your ear, because that's where it's going in right there. So you just have this little bit, it looks like it's stabbing through your ear. I don't know how comfy that's gonna be. I've never tried to wear a pair like that, but I don't really want to either. There's this clip-on pair with amethyst stone color and clear. Very pretty, very cute, very sparkly. Fancy pants. These ones again are another pierced look like this. It's a little pearl dangle in a drop shape. And here is a little pair of clip-ons with tiny gold roses and a peridot colored stone inside. Those are so small. There's this pair of screwbacks. Don't see any names there though. There's this little pair of clip-ons. They're so teeny weeny. And they go like this. They're just like this little, I don't know. It's an apostrophe, isn't it? Well, an apostrophe with an emerald. Another teeny weeny pair of purple roses, little flowers. So small. I'm thinking these go with those pierced looking ones. They look like an interchangeable situation. And then I have an umbrella right here. Gold tone stick pin with no bottom on it. And my goodness, another owl. Wait a minute. Oh! Oh! Look. He is the bottom of the stick pin. See? And he's got an umbrella. Aww, well that's sweet. Another owl added in there with an umbrella. I love it. All right, that's it for that one, except for yucky cotton. And this thing, I'll get it out of the way. And then we still have this blue box. I haven't opened up that one yet. So let's see what's in there. Oh, a couple of things. Just a couple of things. First, there's a screw back pair of AB glass bead earrings. I don't see any marks there. And then there's a necklace. Look at this guy. Look at those beads. It's very lightweight plastic, but it's this frosted green plastic. And these like barrel macaroni dudes, that looks cool. Really cool. And it comes down like this with a chain in the back. And it does have a hook closure. Let me see if there's anything written on that hook. No. No. And we don't have any kind of dangle to help us identify anything, but those are kind of cool, I think. It'd be a cute summer necklace. Huh, okay. We'll put that up here above the owls. And then the other thing that's in there is another necklace, and this is beautiful. Look at that. Double strand glass pearl, and it's like this olive green iridescent finish on it. Ooh, is that ever pretty? They're clacky. It's graduated in length and in bead size. Here's our clasp. Oops. Here is our hook closure, and it is simply marked Japan. Let's take a closer look at these while we're here. It looks like there's somewhere some age. It's definitely vintage and all, but aren't they pretty? It's an interesting color and interesting finish, I think. Yes. All right. I think we're gonna try a super short format. I know that's maybe disappointing to some of us, but Mom, I know, Mom. But I think it might be what works best for me. So I'm gonna say that that's it for today. Thank you so much for joining me. If you haven't already, click subscribe, and then you can join me again. I upload almost every Sunday, and it's fun here. So come back. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.